Oh, good morning if this is your morning. Good afternoon if this is your afternoon. Or good evening or night if this is your night or evening. This is the Igbo Tutor live. So wherever you are, begin to join this live class now. We've set this time apart to have free live Igbo teaching class. So if you are interested in learning Igbo language, you have any connection to Igbo, either by birth, marriage, or by business association, it's time for you to come and learn Igbo language. But you just love Igbo people, you have Igbo friends, Igbo fiancé, and you want to do things that are, more intimate with Igbo people as neighbors around you, you need to really come around here and learn Igbo language. Every Saturday, we come here together to learn Igbo language free of charge. We call it Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. So wherever you are, you're seeing me right now, and you're interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, this is where to be at this time. We meet by 1300 GMT every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time. So wherever you are, you need to start joining up now as we do this free live Igbo language class, free of charge, 100%. So join us now. Let's do this together. I'm expecting you to join up now. We want to make this class just 1 hour. We may not exceed 1 hour. So the earlier you join, the better. So wherever you are, you're seeing me right now, join this live class now. Let's learn Igbo language. Let's challenge ourselves. Let's measure our level of progress in Igbo language. It's possible you have subscribed to one YouTube channel or the other where you are learning Igbo language by watching videos. You may not be able to measure your level of progress or challenge yourself to know how much other efforts you need to make, or to know, how behind you are. You need to come around here every Saturday, join us to challenge ourselves to learn. Here, we learn how to, determine Igbo words by sound, challenge yourself to appreciate the alphabets and make up the words, meaning of Igbo words, Igbo phrases, sentences, and then we also try to master some other aspects of Igbo language. Here, we don't learn from the teacher alone, we learn from a community of people who are interested in Igbo language. There are people who are at the beginner stage, we have people who are at intermediate stage, we have people who are at advanced stage, all converging together here as a community to learn Igbo language. So you can't come to this class and go back the same way you came. You are bound to learn from me and from other members of the community. It's a live class where you can ask questions and get instant responses as you ask your question. So the earlier you join, the better for all of us. So begin to join now and let's do this together. Last Saturday, we ended our class by considering the Igbo verb, which is malite. By the way, what we are dealing with now is what we call verb game. What do we mean by verb game? We're picking Igbo verbs and we are breaking them into various forms depending on their usage. So when you come here, you're bound to know Igbo verbs, you're bound to know how they are used, you're bound to know their variations as they use them here and there. So it pays you better to be here so that you can understand how Igbo verbs are used, various forms of Igbo verbs, how they changes from one form to another depending on their usage. So this is practical Igbo class where we pick words, analyze them, use them, and watch them transform from one form to another. So you do well to join this class and join on time. So the purpose for those who are asking, serious asking, what is the purpose of this live class? This is a live class dedicated to learning and teaching Igbo language. So if you're interested in learning Igbo language spoken by millions of people in Nigeria, business community in Nigeria, so you need to be here if you want to learn. It's a tribe, a major tribe in Nigeria called Igbo. They are business-oriented people, they are commerce-oriented people, they are friends all around the world, they are scattered all over the world, So if you have any reason to relate with them by business association, by marriage or friendship or neighborhood, come here and learn this language free of charge. As you join this class, there are a few things you do. Number one, you hit the like button. Number two, subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Number three, okay, hit the share button so that this will go out to more people, and then get ready to learn Igbo language. You're welcome to class. Let's begin. Like I said earlier, is this the first class? No, this is not the first class. This has been going on for the past almost a year now. We meet every Saturday, same time every Saturday. It's not the first class. So just schedule that, block it off in your calendar, and be ready to join us at this time every Saturday. It's not the first class. This has been going on for a long time. So please make sure you always come here and learn with us every Saturday. This is a Nigerian language. Thank you for doing that. Want to review our last week lesson. What did we do last week? Last week we stopped at the Igbo verb malite, which means begin. That was the last verb we considered, and we used it in different forms and watched it transform from one form to another. Today we are continuing with the next verb, and the verb we are looking at this moment as we begin today is pota. That is the verb we are looking at today. Pota. What is pota? First of all, what we do is when we determine a verb, we try to write the spelling of that verb correctly in the chat section. So we'll be able to know whether you can determine the spelling of the Igbo verb by their sound. This will tell us whether you have a knowledge of the Igbo alphabet. So can somebody help us to write pota in the chat now? If you are here in the class, can you write pota? Pota. If you can do that right now. How do we write that in Igbo language? Anyone trying to do that now? How do we write that? Please indicate if you are here. If you are here with us and you're here for the first time, I'm from India, okay. Long live Namibia, Nnamdi. Okay, somebody say Nnamdi. All right, let me see those who are in class. Siri, say hi. Ganari King, say greetings. Yeah. Who else is in the class? This is the first class, Nigerian language, Igbo language. Not Igbo, it's Igbo. It's pronounced I-G-B-O, Igbo. Okay, Saturday this time, that's true. Canary King, thank you. You've tried to write that word pota. That's great, Canary. You're doing well, and that is correct. But you have to put it together, P-U-T-A. And the U, we have dot under. That is the unique nature of the Igbo alphabet. Some have dot under, some have dot on top, as the case may be. But in this case, we have dot under, pota, P-U-T-A. So you put it together, talking to Canary King now. You put it together, pota, and it will have dot under. Don't worry, you may not have the Igbo keyboard, so you might not really get the alphabet with dot under. But you have done well by writing pota the way you can write it. Appreciate that. Talking to Canary King now. Now there are other variations of this word pota. There is a way we break it down depending on how they are used here and there. So when we say pota, it's a simple present tense. Come out. That's the meaning of this word. Come out. Pota. That is what this word means. Come out. Pota. Maybe you are inside a place and then someone wants you to come out from there or leave that place, especially when you are to come out. We say pota, come out. But there are other forms of it. When we say to come out, do you have any idea? How do we write that in Igbo? To come out. Come out is pota. But to come out, how do we write it? Please, if you are in this class, drop your greetings so we can recognize your presence and know those who are around the class. I can only see Karakin responding to my questions. If you know you are still in this class, can you say, I'm here? Let's know how many of us are here. Just drop a comment, I am here, or I'm still here. Okay? How do we write to come out? Yeah, any idea? To come out, we write it this way: ipụta. Ipụta. The same puta is there as a parent verb, but we add one alphabet in front of it, which is like I, but the I has dot under it, and it sounds ipụta. Okay? The original word is maintained, which is puta, P-U-T-A. But we add I in front of it and write it together. It now becomes ipụta. Okay? Mbaka blessing is still in the class. Mbaka ndewo. So to come up means ipụta. So we add I in front of puta, but dot under the I. Then P-U-T-A, dot under the U also. It becomes ipụta. Can someone write it now? Mbaka or Canary King, can you write exactly what I said now? To come out. Ipụta. Can you write that in the chat? Let's see that. Yeah. Can you write that? Let me see you write that. Mbaka blessing. Or any other person in the class. Go ahead and write that now. Waiting for you. Ipụta. To come out. Yeah? Are you writing it now? Mbaka blessing. Waiting for you. Yeah, ipụta. That is excellent. I guess, Mbaka, you don't have the Igbo keyboard in your phone. I'm sure you don't have it. But it's easy to also get it in your phone if you are in Nigeria or in Africa. Just go to your phone setting, go to keyboard setting or language setting. Language, when you get to language, you go to keyboard setting. You will see Kwati keyboard, Kwati Igbo in keyboard option, Kwati Igbo. So you pick Kwati Igbo, and then when you install it in your phone, your keyboard will be toggled between English and Igbo to the extent that when you want to type Igbo alphabet, you just hold down the key. It will give you the option of O with dot under or U with dot under or with dot on top, as the case may be. That is how to get Igbo keyboard. So Mbaka blessing and carry, you can do that later on after this class to get Igbo keyboard and get ready for next class. So you can type exactly how the Igbo alphabet should be typed. But all the same, I appreciate that. Okay, yeah, you get it. Oh, that's great. Mbaka bless you, have got it. Did you do it just now as I'm saying it? Okay. Okay, Mbaka bless you, have not done that. It is Clement Emehe that have typed the Igbo alphabet the way it should be. But Mbaka blessing, I believe you got my explanation on how to get the Igbo keyboard. Am I right? Blessing? If I'm right, say yes. Let me be sure I got it right. Okay, right. So do that against next time. Now we've written to come out, which is ipụta. That is excellent. Let's go on. Another variation of that same verb, which is came out. The past tense of come. Okay, come out. The past tense of come out. How do we write it in Igbo? How do we write that in Igbo? We've said the present, simple present tense, pota. Okay, Dr. Blahi, you are welcome to class. Clement Emehe, you are welcome to class. These are all students. Right, let's go on. We've said pota, simple present tense. We've said ipota, to come out, okay, which is phrasal verb. We are now going to past tense of pota, okay. How do we write that in Igbo language? Someone should help us. Clement Emehe, you are here. You are an old student. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, how do we write that? My mic is not fixed. Okay. Can you hear me? Are you hearing me? Are you still hearing me? Please, let's confirm. Okay, just a guy. You're welcome to class. Can you still hear me, everybody? Please indicate you are hearing me. Just type yes if you are hearing me. I just need yes. My voice is audible enough. Just type yes. Yes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, back a blessing, that's fine. Okay, we've gotten the past tense of pota. It's typed already, and that is potara. Somebody has written that, Clement Emehe. But Clement Emehe, I expect you to write it exactly with the right alphabet. The way you wrote it is not perfect. Who can help us to write it perfectly with the right alphabet? Potara. Yes, there's a problem with that. You are right, your word, potara. The alphabet is not correct. Okay, how do we write it? Potara. Correct your alphabet. Okay, Clement, you have done the correction. That's great. You understand what I was saying. The U should have dot under. The U should have dot under. Potara. Great. All right, we've done simple present tense, pota. We've done phrasal verb to come out, ipota. We've done past tense of pota, which is potara. We're moving on. Next one is coming out. Is coming out. A phrasal verb again. Is coming out. How do we write that in Igbo language? Is coming out. Present continuous tense. Is coming out. How do we write it in Igbo? The same word, we're just moving it. It's changing from one form to another. Is coming out. Let's try that. Who will help us? Yeah, who will help us? Okay? Backup lesson, I believe this is the first time you're coming to our live class. Am I right? If I'm right, just indicate. If you are coming for the first time, there are a few things to do. Be sure you like this live session. Hit the like button below or above. I don't know where it is in your computer or your phone. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so. Hit the share button so that this goes out to more people to join this live class. And then hit the notification bell so you get notified when we publish our next information on the next live class. And even when we upload our new videos, you can always get notified. Do that now. Thank you very much. Okay, we have Clement Emehe. We have just a guy writing na pota. Clement wrote na apota. Okay, who among them is correct? Is it just a guy or Clement? Mbaka blessing, say e potara. No. Okay, I thank you. Mbaka blessing, I love your effort. Just make sure you contribute. It's called psychomotor in learning. When you are working and listening and doing something, you are learning faster. Okay, that's good. Backup lesson. But if you just keep quiet, you might not learn as you should. So the way you are coming is very fine. Contribute. Do something. Challenge your brain. And that will also tell you how much you have gone, how far you have gone, or where you still need help. Of course, we have other ways of helping you, which we're going to tell you as the class progresses. Okay, let's see who gets it. Clement Emehe is the one that got it right. Na apota is coming out. Okay, is coming out. Na apota. So if you are writing, blessing, you should have your writing material in the book so you can write as we progress, as you learn from each other. Okay, so is coming out is na apota. That is correct. Na apota is coming out. Okay. Now, what about the future tense? Will come out. How do we write it? Will come out. I've done the correction for this one. Look at the chart as we move on. Clement Emehe is the one that got it right. Na-apota. That is will is coming out. We're not talking about future. Will come out. Will come out. Future tense. How do we write it in Igbo language? Go ahead. Just a guy has written. He wrote, excuse me, ga apota. I wait for others to do. I wait for other people to contribute. I just have just a guy. Okay, who else is coming in? Yeah, will come out. Okay, Clement is in here also. Clement is in. How about Baka? Baka, what do you say? Will come out. Future tense. What do you say, Baka? Say something. I'm waiting for you. Whether correct or not correct, just say something. Just write something. Baka blessing. Will come out. The future tense. Yeah. The class is going to last for just 1 hour. So let's move as fast as possible. All right. Just a guy is correct. Ga apota. Clement Emehe is also correct. Ga apota. Those are correct. They are both correct. Will come out. Ga apota. Will come out. Ga apota. Okay. Now we move on to the next verb form, which is like opposite instruction. Don't come out. How do we write it in Igbo language? Don't come out. How do we write it? Don't come out. Opposite of the first one. Opposite of the word we're looking at today. Pota. How do we write the opposite? Don't come out. How do we write that? Game on. Igbo verb game. That's where we are. That's what we're dealing with now in this live class. We want to, play around the verb, use it in different forms, use it to make sentences in different forms, watch it move from one form to another, one spelling to another, one meaning to another. That is the verb game. Yes, we're talking about don't come out. How do we write that in Igbo? Kedu ka esi ede ya n'asụsụ Igbo? Deere m ya na chat anyị na igwe mkparịta ụka anyị. Dee ya. Okay, don't come out. Go ahead and do that. Don't come out. How do we write that? Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, it's not W. It's not double A. It's ka-apota. It's not double A. I'm talking about. Okay, we come out. It's not double A. It's ga-pota. Ga-apota, not ga-pota. Ga is like saying go. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, Tochukwu is in here. Okay, so desert rose is 1A, then join with a hyphen and apota, ga-apota. That is what it should be, desert rose. Tochukwu is in with a response, don't come out. We have one from Tochukwu, number one, followed by Clement and Mehem. Any other person contributing to this, gịnị ka a na-akpọ don't come out n'asụsụ Igbo. Don't come out. Kedu ka esi ede ya n'asụsụ Igbo? Deere anyị ya. Deere anyị ọsọsọ oge na-aga aga. Biko m ọsịsọ. Mmadụ abụọ azaala, ya bụ Tochukwu na Clement Emeghe. Ha edeela nke ha. Kedu ihe ndị ọzọ na-eche? Two people have written, that is Tochukwu and Clement. What are the others waiting for? I want to say that Clement Emeghe got it perfectly correct. Tochukwu also tried, but his you don't have dot under. That disqualified his own. So, apotala. Okay. Some will also say apotakwana or apotakwala, like drawing the sentence, the word longer. Apotakwala or apotakwana. Okay. But for short, apola, apotala or apotana for short. Okay. That is correct. Okay. Now let's tweak it a little bit more. The next one is did not come out. There's a difference between don't come out and did not come out. The first one is an instruction. Don't come out. I warn you. The second one is a report. Did not come out. He did not come out. For example, in usage, he did not come out. So we want to know, how do we write the second one? We've written the first one, an instruction. Don't come out. Apotana or apotana. The second one is did not come out. A report. You are giving a report. How do we write that one? Let's go there. I gave a mwade osiso. Onye nedere anya na osiso. Did not come out. A report. The first one, apotala. Don't come out. An instruction. This one is a report. Did not come out. Someone did not come out. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go. May I say so? Did not come out. Yeah. Did not come out. A report that somebody did not come out. The Igbo verb we're dealing with is apotala. Okay, it's pota actually. That is the parent verb we're dealing with. But we're tweaking it, tossing it around in a verb game to give it different meanings and different spellings and different usage. Now we're talking about did not come out. How do we write that in Igbo language? Okay, Clement has written apotai. Great. Apotai did not come out. Any other option? Clement Emehe has written apotai did not come out. Any other option? Let's go. Any other option? Tochukwu, where are you? Okay, apotai, that is Tochukwu. Great. Where is my friend? Desert Rose, where are you? Where is Mbaka Blessing? Just try. Where are they? Where is my friend? My friend from Korea or where? Okay, just a guy. Where are you? There's this guy, Canary King. Are you still in the class, Canary? Indicate if you are still in the class, Canary. I want to know if you are still in the class, Canary King. We appreciate you coming to learn Igbo language. Are you still in the class? Okay, Clement Emehe aputai, correct. Tochukwu aputai, correct. Both are right. Those are perfect. Finally, for these Igbo variations of this verb, is have come out. Have come out. Past participle. Have come out. Already happened. Have come out or has come out. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go. Game on. Have come out or has come out. How do we write that in Igbo language? Quickly, game on. Let's do that. Have come out. Have come out or has come out if it's a single person. If there are many, have come out. Okay, past participle. Let's go. Game on. Don't waste time at all. Let's go there. Have come out. How do we write that? Waiting. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Desert Rose is writing beer. Don't know what you mean by beer. We are not talking about beer now. I don't know what you want to write. Desert Rose. Okay. Tochukwu wrote apotago. That's great. Apotago. That's great. Yes. Any other option? Any other option? Mbaka blessing. Apotai. Mbaka, your say writing did not come out. Yeah, I think your response is coming in late, but it's all fine. Clement Emehe, apotago, great. I think it could be network delay. So Mbaka, you're right. When you say apotai, that means did not come out, a report. But we move on from that. We're looking at have come out or has come out, which is apotago. Apotago or apotala. The difference between apotala and apotala, the sound is different, but the spelling is the same. Apotala, don't come out. Apotala could also mean have come out, but the sound is different. But in apotago, to avoid that mix-up and confusion, we prefer to use apotago, in this case, have come out. So with that, I would say Tochukwu is correct. Apotago. Baka blessing, apotai, that's the previous one. Clement Emehe, apotago is correct. Okay. Like it just started. Like it's just starting. Apotago, thank you. Okay. All right. Baka blessing. I got you. So apotago, correct. So apotago is what we prefer to use. Because if you use apotala, sometimes it's confused with apotala. Some people may not be able to differentiate the tone. Apotala is don't come out instruction. Apotala, hi, have come out already. But to avoid this confusion of same word and different tones, we prefer to use apotago to represent have come out. Is that clear for everybody? Let's go there. Let's go and make sentences now. Simple sentences. Let's begin. Number one, pota, simple present tense. Come out from that place. How do we write that? Let's go. Verb game on. Come out from that place. How do we write that in Igbo language? Game on. Who is shooting first? Come out from that place. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go. Shoot. Who is shooting first? Come out from that place. How do we write that in Igbo language? Come out from that place. Who is helping us first to write? Who is taking first position? Come out from that place. Write that in Igbo language in the chat. Let's go. Game on. Igbo verb game on. Let's go. Come out from that place. Emphasis on the word come out, which is ota. That is the emphasis. Ota. So complete the sentence. Come out from that place. Waiting for you to do that now. Yes, Tochukwu has written Pota Eba. Okay. Tochukwu is taking first position now. Who is coming second? Who is coming second? Come out from that place. Who is coming second behind Tochukwu? Yeah. Tochukwu has written Clement Emehe. Pota Eba. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. Any other person coming in? Where is my guy? Just a guy. Where are you? Where are you? You're not making contribution again. Where are you? Come out from there. Come out from that place. Come out from there. Any other response coming in? Where is Mbaka? Okay, Mbaka is in. Poteba. Good effort. Good effort. Any other person? Just a guy. Are you coming? Or I should mark now. Let me mark because of time. Tochukwu wrote, Pota Eba. That is correct, except that ah should have dot under the U. That is the only correction for Tochukwu. Clement, Ota, Sieba. You don't need to write Sieba. Simply write Oteba. That's correct. Don't put C. Mbaka blessing, Oteba. You're right. I know you don't have the Igbo keyboard yet, so you wouldn't put dot under U. Both U's, they should have dot under. When you have your Igbo keyboard, remember to do that. We move on. Okay, all right, okay, that's great. We move on to the next sentence using to come out. Ipota, ipota, to come out. I want to come out. I want to come out. Let's write that in Igbo language. I want to come out. Write that in Igbo language. Emphasis is on the word to come out. Ipota. Let's go. Game on. Igbo verb game on. Let's write. I want to come out. Write that now. In case you are watching this video from our homepage, after this class, you are not participating in the live class, but you are watching later. Remember that all the chats that are coming in here as you are in this live class will be stored and replayed when you are watching this video. So if you are watching this video right now, or if you are watching it later, after it must have been uploaded to our channel, please go to the comment section and swipe it to the left. You will now have the recordings of chat during live class. So as you are watching the video, the chats during live will be replayed one by one at every stage as you are watching the video, as if you are participating live. You will be seeing all the live chats coming in exactly the way I'm talking now. Exactly the way they are coming in now during live session, they will be replayed like that when you are watching it in our channel. So if you are watching any of our live videos uploaded to our channel, please go to the comment section, hold it and swipe it left. You will see all recorded live chats. So you can follow it through as you listen to the teaching and discussions. Thank you very much. Okay, the sentence now is Achorom Ipota. Let's see those who got it right. Clement Emehe, Achorom Ipota. Correct. Mbaka, Achorom Ipota. Correct. Tochukwu, Achorom Ipota. Tochukwu missed out something. He missed out which is me. Achorom. You missed it. You put which is I there. That is what represents I am. Achorom. I want. Ipota, to come out. That is the only thing Tochukwu missed here. We go on from here. Next short sentence with this verb variations is past tense of pota, which is potara. Let's make a short sentence with this. Okay, let me take a name here. Tochi came out from the house. Okay, Tochi came out early. Let's leave it like this so that it will be simpler. Tochi came out early, on time. Tochi or Tochukwu came out early, on time. That's the meaning of early, I mean here. Tochi came out early, Let's write the sentence now. Let's go there. We are talking about past tense of puta, which is putara. We are having a sentence for that now, which is Tochukwu came out early. Let's write that in Igbo language. They all say so. Let's go there. Game on. Igbo verb game on. Let's do it now. We'll do it together. Yeah. Who is shooting first? Who is giving us this sentence first? Tochukwu came out early. Tochukwu came out early. Write the simple sentence in Igbo language. We are doing the Igbo verb game, using verb in different forms, making simple sentences with them to expose to us the variations and transformation of verb from one usage to another. Same word, different spelling, different meanings. Okay. Tochi pụtara n'oge, that's backup lesson. Okay. Let's hold that and wait for other people to come in. Baka, good effort. Good effort. Waiting for others to come in. Tochukwu or Tochi came out early. Yeah. Baka Blessing has taken first position. Who is coming second in this game? Who is coming second after Mbaka? Okay, Tochukwu pụtara n'oge. Baka, you're correcting yourself. You must be very smart. Yeah, that's good. Tochi pụtara n'oge. Okay, that's great. That's great. Anybody? Baka first, Clement Emehe second. Who is coming third in this game? Who is coming third in this verb game? Remember the sentence is Tochukwu came out early. Emphasis is on came out, pụtara, the verb. Write that in Igbo language. Yes, two people have written. Any other person coming in before we move on to mark the script? Any other person coming in? Where is Clement Mehe? He has written, okay, and Tochukwu has written. Where is Baka Blessing? Okay, Baka has written, oh yeah. So I have three people who have answered. Baka Blessing came in first, Tochukwu pụtara n'oge. Perfect sentence, except you don't have the Igbo keyboard to be able to write P with dot under. I know. Clement, Tochi pụtara n'oge, correct. Tochukwu himself, Tochi pụtara n'oge, correct. All of you are correct. We go on to is coming out, present continuous, and is written na apụta in Igbo language. Is coming out, na apụta. Okay? The sentence is he is coming out now. He is coming out now. Write that in Igbo language. He is coming out now. Let's go. Game on. Who is taking first position in this one? He is coming out now. He is coming out now. Na ebe mkparịta ụka n'okpuru ebe a ọsịsọ. Oh, Carrie King, you are still here. Okay. Ọ na-apụta n'oge. Okay, that's good. I think, oh, okay, you have tried. Let's hold on to what you have written, Carrie King, and we're going to do the correction when other people have come in. Okay. He is coming out now. Okay. Noge is on time. Carry King. Noge is on time. But we're talking about now. Okay? Now. Now. Right? Let's see the other options. Backup blessing. Ona apota. Ubua. Your apota should have A in front of P. I'm talking about baka. You can put a hyphen when you write na. You can draw a hyphen and then go and write aputa, A-P-U-T-A. Okay? Ubua or kita. Clement Emehe wrote ona aputa ubua or in bracket kita. Perfect. But your kita should have dot under the I. Tochukwu ona aputa ubua. Correct. Okay? Just a guy. Ona aputa ubua. Correct. Tochukwu is doing further correction. Ona aputa ubua. Correct. You guys are too much. So keen, I think you understand the correction I made, talking about carry keen. Do you understand my correction? Okay. And carry keen, I have a simple question for you. Are you of Igbo descent? Are you from Nigeria? Or you have Igbo connection by birth or marriage? Or you simply love Igbo language? Can you answer my question? Canary. Okay, canary king. That's the right word. Canary king. I need an answer to that. Are you having Igbo lineage by birth? Or you are connected by marriage? Or just by mere association and friendship? Or just sheer interest that you want to learn Igbo language? Talking to Canary now. I need an answer to that, please. Okay? While I'm waiting for response from Canary King, move on to the next sentence, talking about, okay, we've done is coming out. We've done came out. We've done is coming out. Okay, let's see. Let's go to future tense. Ga pota. Future tense. Ga apota. Okay. Ha. Oh, let me go. Let me stop. I want to break it. They will come out tomorrow. They will come out tomorrow. They will come out tomorrow. There's no there. Write it in Igbo language or say so. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Who shoots first? Who is taking first? Born and raised in USA. Igbo dad, American mom. Great. Igbo dad, American mom. So you are a bona fide Igbo guy. Okay? So there's nothing else to say than you are a full-blown Igbo guy. So please join us here every Saturday to learn Igbo language free of charge by 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT. Beyond that, Mr. Canary, beyond that, you need to know your Igbo name. I want to address you with your Igbo name. I know you have one. Your dad must have given you one Igbo name. So let's have your Igbo name. That's two. Number three, that we have other resources that can help you to learn even faster. One of such is that we have our Igbo simplified ebooks for beginners. This ebook is unique. They are unique. There are maybe about 14 of them we have already. Unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures, and audio that are downloadable, which means you can download the audio and listen to me talk to you even when you are offline. When you're driving, you can listen to me as MP3. You can listen to me while you're doing laundry or while you are sleeping or lying down. You can listen to me talk to you. So when you buy the book, okay, the books are available and the books are easy to get. This live section we are now, the description box of this particular video, this live session or previous ones, you open it, you see a link to a bookshop, you hit it and get the books. They're very cheap, between $1 to $3, you buy one of them. So with $25 or $30, you can buy virtually all the books that covers all the subjects, numbers, alphabet, two-letter word, daily phrases, whatever you want, they are all covered in those books. So you need to get them after this class and start helping yourself. And when you buy them, you let me know if you have challenge with the audio, if there is issues you are going to connect to me via WhatsApp, so we can always communicate and I guide you where you need further help. We also have what we call live private classes for those who are interested in private classes. Some of the people here in this class are in my private class. They are also learning with me in private classes with a very little amount of money, $5 per hour. We have one-on-one private classes in case you are also interested in that. So in our homepage, when you subscribe to our channel, you go to our homepage and open our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. You go to community tab in our homepage, you scroll down in our homepage, you see a community post, you see a link to books because you're going to see adverts of our books there with the links to our bookshop attached to it. So wherever you go, you get access to our bookshop. So do that after this class and you'll be glad you did. Let's move on. Okay. Canary, did you get my explanations on where to find the books? Did you get it clear enough? Is it clear? I want answer from Canary as we go on. Let's go there. We are going to the next sentence, okay? They will come out tomorrow. I already got responses. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. I've got response from Canary. Okay, let's go on. And I have Haga Puta Echi. That is from Baka Blessing. Let me see who else responded. Clement, Haga Potechi, great work. Tochu, Haga Potechi, great. Canary, okay, I discussed with you. I will be able to find it. Of course, why not? Okay, if you are interested in private lesson Canary, please send me a direct email via igbotutor@gmail.com. Remember that my channel name is the Igbo Tutor. Just put it together, don't separate it. At gmail.com. Send me email after this class, okay, so that we can discuss about private class if you are interested in that. Is that okay, Canary? The Igbo Tutor at gmail.com. Send your request to that email. Clear, Mr. Canary? Please, if it's clear, let me know you got me right on the request for private class and how to make your request. Okay, send your email to the igbotutor@gmail.com. Is that right? So let's look at the responses. You guys are great. You are too much. Baka Blessing got it. Clement got it. Tojubu got it. Even Canary too tried. Haga Pota Echi. That's great. Except that in Canary case, you didn't put A in front of Pota, Ga Pota. You put a hyphen and you put A before Pota to make it complete. Canary, did you get how to send me requests for private class? Did you get that? I want to be sure you got what I said, how to send the email address. Is it clear enough? The igbotutor@gmail.com. Send your request for private class there. We move on. We are going to the next word, which is don't come out, which is apotala. Don't come out. Great. Don't come out. Apotala. The sentence now. Don't come out from that place. But let me use the word now. Don't come out from the house. Let's use a particular word. Don't come out from the house. Assuming you are talking to your child or children, giving instruction. Don't come out from the house. How do we write that in Igbo language? Do not come out from the house. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go there. Who is shooting first? Don't come out from the house. Who is doing that first for us? Game on. Igbo verb, game on. Mbaka is in. Apotala nolo. Yes, I wait for others. Let's shoot. Mbaka, first position. Who is taking second position now? Don't come out from the house. Canary is in. Apotala na olo. Great work. Canali, great work. Who else is coming? Third position. Open for grab. Mbaka first. Canary second. Third one. Third position, open for grab. Canali, you are here to tell me your Igbo name. I'm sure your dad gave you Igbo name. Can you remember that and type it for us? Want to call you by our name. Okay, Tochuku come third. Apotala, no law. Great. Any other person coming, waiting for who? Clement Emehe. Apotala, no law. Great. Where is Dr. Abdullahi? I didn't see you again. Are you not in the class again? Dr. Abdullahi. If you are still in the class, please say I'm here. Let me know you are in the class. Dr. Abdullahi, do that now. Your answers are top notch. Starting from Mbaka Blessing, Apotala no law. But Mbaka Blessing, you need to put comma on top of your N before Olo, showing that one alphabet is missing there. It should be Na Olo, but we'll make it short. In preposition, we don't bring in the A. We remove the A and put comma on top of N to represent no law for ease of pronunciation. No law. Okay. Then let me see. Carry apotala na ulo. That's what I was talking about. We don't write preposition like this. Okay. In Canary, we put it N, comma on top, and join ulo to it. That's how to write. Just look at the way Tochukwu wrote it. That's the way we write preposition. Look at the way Clement Emehe wrote it. That's how we write preposition. Don't come out from the house. Okay, that is great. We go next sentence, which is a report did not come out. did not come out. Apotai. Apotai. Okay, that's the word. Let's have our sentence. Okay. My mom did not come out today. My mom did not come out today. Let's go there. Write it in Igbo language. My mom did not come out today. Let's write it in Igbo language. Okay, let's go there. Who shoots first? Game on. My mom did not come out today. Amaka, Mbaka blessing, you missed something. He didn't say today now. Where is your today? Mbaka blessing. My mom did not come out today. Nem apotara today. Okay. Canary, you tried, but something is missing. You did not come out is not correct. So you name apotara. Ooh, we get the first position. We get the first correct sentence from Tochuku. Name apotara. Just a guy. Name apotai. Eshita, my brother. But just a guy, you can be careful. Eshita is not a central Igbo, it's a local parlance. So just use ta, is simple, today. Obi Eshita, that's a local parlance. Mbaka bless, name apotaita, okay, correction. Clement name apotaita, tata. Tata. Tata is not also very correct in popular central Igbo. Ta is okay. Ta, echi, okay, not tata or eshita. Those are local parlance, peculiar to some clans here and there, but we are using Central Igbo here, right? That's great. Last one in this series of Pota, we're talking about have come out. Apotala, or apotago, rather, apotago have come out. Okay, they have come out. Or all of them, let's have it this way. All of them have come out. All of them have come out. Let's write that in Igbo language. Game on, game on. All of them have come out. All of them have come out. How do we write it in Igbo language? Let's go there. All of them have come out. All of them have come out. All of them have come out. Write that in Igbo language, okay? Apotai and apotara. Is it the same? No, it's not the same. Apotai is did not come out. Apotala. Apotara is actually honey. Apotara. Apotara is not the way it should be. It's apotago. Apota is did not come out. Apotala is have come out already, but it's not R-A, it's L-A. Apotala, L-A, not R-A. Talking to Canary now. Okay, great. Okay, Canary is giving us the first response here. Hanile apotara. Okay, it's apotago. That's what we use for have come out. Apotago. Okay. Okay, but if you want to use apotala, it's L-A. Ending it, not R-A, is L-A, and you have to pronounce it properly. Because if you don't do that, it will mean something else entirely. It will mean did not come out. Okay? It will mean don't come out. Apotala is a sound, don't come out. So if you want to use apotara, in this case, you must be ready to pronounce it properly because it will sound apotala, talking to Canary now. But if you say apotala, it means don't come out, an instruction. But if you want to use the same word for have come out, the sound will be changed. It becomes apotala, high. So to be on a safer side, we use apotago to make it easy for us. Apotago. So that's what we should use in this case. Apotago. Okay, Canary, I hope that is clear enough. Okay, just a guy wrote. So Canary, let me mark your script now. You wrote, you are the one that answered first. Hanile apotara. So niile is spelled N-I-I-L-E. You don't separate it. N-I-I-L-E. I'm talking to Canary now. Hanile, that is how to write it. Okay, no, don't separate it. Apotala, I've already discussed about apotala already. Just a guy wrote, Onyo obula apotala. Okay, Onyo obula is not everybody. Onyo obula is everyone. Everyone. Okay, everyone. But Hanile is all of them. All of them. That's what I said. All of them. Okay, is Hanile. As Chikeze is right. Hanile apotago correct. Mbaka blessing. Hanile apotago correct. Tochuku Hanile apotago correct. Great class. Go on now to the next word and the last one for today. And the word is rie. The word is rie. Can somebody write it for me? Rie. Write it in the chat. The spelling first. We deal with the spelling first. Don't tell me the meaning. Just write it. The word I pronounce now. Rie. First, we'll test your understanding of Igbo alphabet sound and how to convert sound to word in Igbo. That is the first test before we move to the next level, which is determining the meaning of the word. Okay? Hani lapta Clement Emehe, correct, but it's coming late. So we have backup blessing Rie, correct. Tochuku Rie, correct. Just a guy, Rie, correct. Anybody see coming in? The responses are right. That is the word, Rie. We move on to the next stage. What is the meaning of this word, Rie? Let's go there. What is the meaning of the word, Rie? Let's shoot. Game on. Verb, game on. What is the meaning of the word, Rie, in Igbo, in English? That is Igbo word, Rie. What does it mean in English, Rie? Oh, Canary has got it. Canary got it. Even above Baka blessing. Baka is saying cook, not be only cook. You not go cook anything here. You never cook finish since morning. That is Canary gotten it first. I love that. Tochuku got it second. Baka corrected herself by eat. That is real. Let's go to the next stage. Stage 1 passed. Stage 2 passed. We're going to stage 3, which is breaking it down to its various forms. Let's go. Number 1, real, eat. Correct. Done that. Second part, to eat. How do we write that in Igbo language? To eat. How do we write it? Let's go. Who shoots first? First position, to eat. Write it for me quickly. I don't have time. Let's go. To eat. Write it now in Igbo language. How do we write it? To eat. Let's go. Shoot. Game on. Verb, game on. To eat. Iri, Canary, you are correct. Great work. Iri, great one. Canary, great. I love that. Anybody coming in again? Tochuku, Iri, anyone still coming in? To eat. Clement Emehem in. Who else is coming in? To eat. Yes, those answers are correct. I don't need to bother you further. Let's go. Second word, or third one rather, past tense of eat. How do we write it? Ate. How do we write it in Igbo language? Ate. Past tense of eat. Ate. Go shoot it. Let's go. Game on. How do we write that in Igbo language? Ate. Past tense of eat. They are not so Igbo. This is Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. Coming to you from the table of the Igbo tutor and all the family members in the Igbo tutor. By the way, in case you are not aware, there is opportunity for membership of this YouTube channel. And when you join membership, you are bound to have a lot of opportunities. In fact, for those of you who are regular in our live class, if you join a membership, even at level 1, we give you all the packages. A lot of things are, involved to benefit from there. Free ebook every month, the opportunity to talk to me or chat with me 24/7, get your questions answered, get guided anytime, and even use me as your practice partner at every time, anytime, any day. And then there is also opportunity for special a live class at least once a month or thereabout or twice for those who are in the group membership, and so many other benefits out there. So if you don't mind, you'll see the black button down there that has join written on it. Just hit it and join a membership, and you are bound to get a lot of packages, a lot of benefits far beyond what others are enjoying today. So do that now. Very important. Thank you for supporting the channel as always. Okay, let's go on. We're talking about it, and let's see those who got it right. It. Okay, it. What is it? We have Nairi, just a guy. I don't agree with you. Tojuku Riri. That's correct. Riri. That's correct. Okay. Can I say as in Erigomuri? No, that one is I have eaten food. That's what you wrote. We're talking about it, a single word. Past tense of it. It. The word is Riri. That is Tojuku. Tojuku got it right. Riri. It. R-I-R-I. That is correct. We go from there. Is eating. How do we write that in Igbo? Is eating. Is eating. The single word is eating. How do we write it? Okay, I'm waiting for you. Tochukwu is the only one that got past tense of eat, which is ate. Illustrate in a sentence. Of course, we are coming back to that. Canary, we are coming back to that. We will finish the word, then we'll come back to sentences. So just give it a time. Next, ono. Next, ono, no. Na class ya anyị nke Igbo. Dewo. Next, ono. Kaigani. We're talking about will eat. Will eat. Okay, is eating. That's what I said. Sorry about that. Is eating. Okay, next ono has written Neri. Okay. Okay, let me see other responses. Canary, thank you. Tochuku na eri. Okay. Any other person? Any other person coming in? Is eating. Is eating. Is eating. How do we write that in Igbo language? Verb game on. Igbo verb game on. Let's go. I got 2 responses only for is eating. Okay, more are coming in now. And then I think I can mark now. Okay, first person is saying, first person here, next ono neri, Tojuku na eri, Clement na eri, Canary na eri. I think na eri is the correct thing. N-A-E-R-I, neri. That is what it should be. Of course, next ono, you can argue that, oh, nairi you wrote is okay because there's N there, but a comma on top to show that N-A is missing. But in writing, that is not how to write present continuous tense in Igbo. It's N-A hyphen and the verb. Okay, the parent verb. Let's go on. Will eat. Sorry, will eat. Future tense. How do we write that in Igbo? Will eat. Will eat. How do we write that in Igbo? Let's go. Game on. Future tense of eat. Will eat. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. Yeah. Who is shooting? Next, ono, ga-eri. Great. Waiting for others to come in. Clement Emehe, ga-eri. Great. Who else is coming in for third position? Who is taking third position? Ono has just come in and is overtaking you guys. Don't give him a chance. Okay. Okonkwo Maria. Omelebele. Okonkwo Maria, newo, na class Igbo. No, Okonkwo. Next, Ono and Okonkwo, I think this is the first time you are joining our live class. Is that right? Please indicate yes if I'm right. Okay, next, Ono and Okonkwo Maria. They won na class Igbo. Okay, we're talking about future tense of it. And you guys are on top of it. Next, Ono, correct? Yes, my first time. How about Okonkwo Maria? Kedem nke a bụ mbụ ị na-eso anyị na klaasị Igbo. Klaasị nke Igbo. Nke a na-eme n'iru n'iru live class. Okay, yes, Maria Okonkwo. Ndewo no. Biko bie n'aka na YouTube channel anyị o. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important to us. And then anyị nwekwara usoro dị iche iche esi enyere ndị ọhụrụ aka We have many ways we are helping new students, new learners in Igbo language. We connect to you via many means to make your learning faster and fun. We have special ebooks written for new students, young students, intermediate students, and these ebooks are unique in the sense that they come with text, audio that are downloadable, and pictures. Those audios, when you download them, they become your own. You keep them in your phone or computer for life. And you can listen to them even when you are offline. So you have a book with you, have the audio book with you. You can listen to me anytime. Go through the book with you with right pronunciations at every juncture. That is a unique advantage. So these books are, of course, not valued according to the quality. They are so cheap. You don't want $1 to $3 to buy any of them. How do you get them? Very simple. Check our live stream before. This one we are having now, the description box of this video, you have a link to our bookshop. Go to our homepage, click the channel description, open it up, you see a link to our bookshop. Go to community tab in our homepage, look at you go scroll through our content in our homepage, you see advert of the books and a link to our bookshop attached to it. Hit it, you land at the bookshop. We have about 14 books there. Go there and pick the ones you want, and you'll be glad you did today. Hope my friends will do that. Next, Conquer Maria, do that, and then we appreciate you. Will thank us later if you do that. Let's go. We're talking about will eat, and then it is Eri. How many people got it right? Let's check. Begin from next Ono, Gairi, correct. Clement, Gairi, correct. Okonkwo, Gairi, correct. Canary, Gairi. Canary refused to tell me his Igbo name. I hope you have Igbo name. I hope I'm not wrong. Tochuku, Gairi. Okay, so those responses are correct. Okay, let me go further. Go eat. How do we write that in Igbo? Go eat or go and eat, whatever you say. Go eat or go and eat. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go. Let's go. Shoot it now. Next, Ono and Okonkwo Maria. Did you understand what I said about my ebooks? Is it clear enough? Next, Ono and Okonkwo Maria. Did you understand what I said about the ebooks and how to get them? Is it clear enough? Okay, please, I need your response. Let's go. Go eat. Go eat. Okay, Clement has come in first position. Who is coming second? Go and eat or go eat. Let's go there. Okonkwo Maria. Jerry, next to know is clear, sir. Good. Okay, good. Maria didn't answer my question. I'm waiting for your response. Okay, Okonkwo Maria. Yes, okay, that's fine. Okay, sorry, my Igbo name is Ugo. I was waiting for your response since. I don't want to be calling Canary. I want to call your Igbo name, Ugo. Ugo means eagle, eagle. And the full name, your full name is Ugochukwu. That is your full name, which means the eagle of God. Eagle of God. You are a special candidate. You are going to soar like the eagle, succeed in everything you do. You are on top of the game. That is your name. Okay, we watch later. All right, there's a rule saying you watch later. That's okay. Thank you for coming at all. Okay, let's go. Gochugu has come in. Gary, who else is coming in here now? Go and eat. Gochugu is taking first in this case now. Who is coming second? Who is coming second? Go and eat. Go and eat or go eat. Yeah, but Ugo, it should be double A. It should be double A. Okay, we use double A. Okay, Tochuku came in first. Oh, we have answers already. Clement Emehe, Garie. Tochuku, Garie. Correct. Okay, double A, Garie. So, Ugochukwu is double A, Garie. Go on to the next level. Don't eat. Erila. Don't eat. Erila. How do we? Let's have our sentence. Oh, that is the next word. Erila. Don't eat. Oh, I've even given you the word already. Just type it. Erila. Don't eat. Type it. I've given you the word already. Just type it in. Erila. Let's have the spelling for those who don't have the spelling. Okay, or those who don't understand how to write it. Erila. Can you go ahead and type it in now? Erila. Erila. Let's go. Okay, Coco Maria. Erila. correct. Okay. Clement Emehe Erila, that's correct. Okay, Tochukwu Erila correct. Next, Erila. Next, oh no, please put it together. Don't separate it. Next, oh no, put it together. Erila is together. Canary is together. Ugochukwu, put it together. Erila is together. One single word. Don't separate it. Okay? Let's go on. A report now. Did not eat. Good. Did not eat. Let's put it together. A report. The first one is instruction. Erila. The second one is a report. Did not eat. Okay? Okay, how do we write that? Did not eat. Did not eat. A report. Okay, the first one is Erila, instruction. Do not eat. Second one is a report. Did not eat. How do we write this in Igbo language? Let's go. Game on. Game on. Let's go there. Who is writing now? Who is writing? Waiting. Did not eat. Did not eat. Let's go. Who is taking first position? Game on. First position. Tochukwu Erieye. Okay, good effort. Tochukwu came in first. Who is coming in second? Next. Ono came in first. Okay, Tochukwu came in second. Okonkwo Maria came in third. Canary Ugochukwu came in fourth. Who has gotten this right? No, none of you have gotten the right spelling. None. Oh yeah, the right spelling has come. Eri, that is from Clement Emehe. That is the correct spelling, correct word. Oh, that is, look at what Clement wrote. Clement E, that is the correct word. Eri, correct. You have done the correction now. Please do your correction. Eri, everybody should look at that. That is the correct word. From Clement Emehe and Tochukwu right now. That is the correct word. Now, finally, have eaten. Have eaten. If there are many people, or has eaten. If it's a one person, how do we write that? Okay, let's go. Shoot now. Let's go there. Okay, yeah, that's the correct version. Good enough. We're moving on to the next one, the last one for this, but we'll go to sentences now, quickly. Have eaten or has eaten. Let's go there. Let's go there. Have eaten or has eaten. Write it quickly. Let's go to sentences now. Yes. Okay. Clement Emehe, Erigo, correct. Ugochukwu, Erigo. You're already writing a sentence. We are talking about a word. Okay. It should be Erigo. It should be together. Tochukwu, Erigo, correct. Where is Okonkwo? Okay. Or Okonkwo, where are you? We're talking about have eaten, or has eaten. You have not written your own. Maria, you've not written your own. I wait for your own. Why I move straight to sentences now. Number one, simple present tense. Rie. Okay. The word is rie. Oh, sorry, I'm to say it in English. You write in Igbo. Sentence number one, eat your food fast. Eat your food fast. Write that in Igbo language. Let's go. Game on. Okonkwo, that's correct. Number one sentence has been given out. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Eat your food fast. Let's go. Let's go. Eat your food fast. Write quickly there. Eat your food fast. Write it in Igbo language. Okay? Eat your food fast. Don't omit anything. Clement, you omitted something. Listen to my sentence again. Eat your food fast. You omitted something, Clement Emehe. Yes, I'm waiting. Clement has come in first. Who is coming in second? Okonkwo. Great one. Waiting for Canary Ugochukwu. Okay. Even though you use ni, okay, one local palace too, ni. That's how some people call it. Okay. How do we go? Who else is coming in? Tochukwu. Rie nri ọsịsọ gị. Oh, good effort, good effort, good effort. Oh, that's Canary again. Ugochukwu, rie nri gị ọsịsọ. Okay. Clement Emehe, rie nri gị ọsịsọ. Okay, you're correcting yourself now. That's fine. Let's mark. Quickly, quickly. Clement say, rie nri. He forgot to write gị, you are. But he has done correction now. Konko Maria, rie nri gị ọsịsọ. Perfect. Canary, Ugochukwu, rie nri gị ọsịsọ. Perfect. But you wrote nni, but you have already done the correction down there. Tochukwu, rie nri ọsịsọ gị. No, gị will come first before nri. Tochukwu is rie nri gị ọsịsọ. When we're writing in Igbo, the English version, sometimes the verb, okay, the you are, eat your food, nri gị. Okay, your food, nri gị. Sometimes in Igbo, it is moved the other way around. So it happens like that most times. Okay, so that is the right thing to say. Rie nri gị ọsịsọ. Okay, that's the right one. We move on to eat. Okay, to eat. I want to eat. I want to eat food. I want to eat food. How do we write that in Igbo language? I want to eat food. I want to eat food. Let's go there. I want to eat food. Hello? Hello? Are you with me? Can you hear me? Please indicate if you can hear me. Indicate yes if you can hear me, please. Can you hear me? Okay, Odema. Okay, achọrọ m iri nri, that's canary. Okay, Okonkwo achọrọ m iri nri. Yeah, Tochukwu achọrọ m iri nri. Clement achọrọ m iri nri. You people are great. Okay, Okonkwo Maria, yes. Okay, that's great. You are all correct. You are all correct. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat. Yeah, sorry about that. There's something that I need to attend to quickly. Okay, so I'm back. I hope I'm back live. I hope I'm still. No, I don't. I didn't say network did not cease. I took permission from you. I took permission from you. I needed to attend to somebody that is calling me quickly before I continue the class. I think I told you that. So network did not cease. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so let's go on. So we all got I want to eat at your meeting. We all got that. Well, the next one is past tense of eat, which is ate. Ate. Yes, that was what Canary was asking about how to write the sentence. Canary, are you still here? Because you wanted to have an example of how to write that sentence. Canary, are you here? Ugochukwu, please confirm you are still here. Ugochukwu, are you still here or you've gone? I think I took permission before, to continue the class. Are you still here or you have gone? All right, let's go on. If Canary has gone, because I said he should give me a few minutes, a few seconds to do something. He wanted to know how to write a sentence with ate, riri. Okay, now let me give you the sentence. I ate rice yesterday. Okay, I ate rice yesterday. Can we write that in Igbo language? I ate rice yesterday. It appears some of our people have lost some of them in this short moment of pausing. Okay, let's go on. I ate rice yesterday. Yes. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go. Yes, let's go there. I ate rice yesterday. Are you still there or we should end the class? Should we end the class if you are no more there? Okay. Okay. Okonkwo is still here. Eririm osikapa nya. Okay, that's your own. Let me listen to other people. I ate rice yesterday. You know, Ugochukwu was asking how to use past tense of rie, which is riri. And I wanted him to watch it now done. But I think he has gone. I don't know whether he's in the class or not. So let's go. Let's go. I've got one response from Maria. What are the rest people doing? I ate rice yesterday. What are the rest people doing? Write your own sentence now. Quickly do that. I have a few minutes to end this class. Okay. Okay, let me correct Maria. Okay, Tochukwu is here. Eririm osikapa yesterday. Chineke na. So Tochukwu doesn't know how to write yesterday. That's fine. Even Maria didn't know how to do that. She couldn't write it, but that's fine. That's why we're in class. Because we have to, I don't know yesterday very well. Stay put. I will tell you the word yesterday. If other people did not write it, I will tell you. That's why we are here. Okay? That's why we are here. Clement Emehe has written Clement, I've taught you this several times. You are still missing it. When to start a sentence with a or a. I think I taught you this up till last week, that you have to determine whether you should use a or a to start a sentence. So I don't know why you are still missing it up till now. Clement Emehe. We're talking about the vowel that comes after the R is a heavy vowel. Are you supposed to start it with a or a? Clement Emehe. Why are you starting with a? Oh, Sherry Mango. Shoibi, welcome to live class. For a long time, you've not come to live class. No. Let's go. Okay, so the sentence we're talking about is, I ate rice yesterday. And then we are battling with what is yesterday. Clement wrote unya, okay, which is also good. But the actual word is unyahu. U with dot under NY A HU dot under the U. Unyahu. Okay. Eririm osikapa unyahu. That's fine. So Clement have done the correction. That is what it should be, either unya or unyahu. Okay, that is yesterday. Tochukwu, did you get that now? Unyahu is yesterday. Is that clear, Tochukwu? Did you get that now? That's the essence of being a live class. You learn from others, others learn from you. You learn from the teacher all the same time. Okay. Okay, so Dr. Blah is not Onyihu, it's Unyahu. Unyahu. Unyahu, dot under the U. Okay. So, yeah, that is it. That's it. Unyahu. You can use single A or double A. It's also correct. You can use single A. Okay, that is yesterday. Unyahu. Let's go. We're going to is eating. Is eating. Okay, is eating. That's the next word we're talking about now. Yes, Maria, you have done your correction. That's great. Okay, we're going to is eating now. My child is eating now. My child is eating now. Write that in Igbo language. Let's go. Game on. My child is eating now. How do we write that in language? Let's go there. Game on. My child is eating now. Let's go there. Write it in Igbo language. Write it in Igbo language. My child is eating now. I'm going to move. Once one person get the answer correctly, I'm going to move because I have little time to stay here. Time is against me. We've spent close to 1 hour, 30 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, my child is eating now. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go. My child is eating now. Nwam neri ubua. No, it's not complete. Konkwo. Nwam neri nri ubua. Okay, but the konkwo, you are neri should have n comma on top before eri. No. You should have na hyphen and eri. That is present continuous. That's how to write it. I'm talking to Konko Maria. It's not Eri. It's N-A hyphen Eri. Just the way Clement Ebehe wrote it. But he didn't write complete. Let me see what Tochi wrote. Wam Neri Ubua. No, he didn't put Erinri. Nerinri. Okay. Please add what is eating. Food. Okay. Wam Neri Pua. No. Wam dotted line. Wam neri. Put what is eating, food. Okay, food. Nri, ubua. All right, that's fine. We go to the next one. Okay, ga-eri, which is will eat. Will eat. I will eat. I will eat. What do we eat? I will eat corn tomorrow. I will eat corn tomorrow. Let's write that in Igbo language. Quickly. So I will eat corn tomorrow. Let's go there. Yeah, Okonkwo Maria, that's a good correction. Okay, that's a good correction. Remember, we move on to the next sentence. I will eat corn tomorrow. Corn. Okay, Toshi, that's a good correction. Let's go to the next sentence. I will eat corn tomorrow. Who is writing now? I will eat corn tomorrow. Let's go. Game on. I will eat corn tomorrow. Let's write it quickly. Now. Game on. I will eat corn tomorrow. Who is helping us out? Game on. Clement Emehe. Agarie oka echi. Good effort. Dr. Blahi. Agarie oka echi. Good effort. Let me wait for more responses because they are not yet perfect. I will eat corn tomorrow. Okonkwo Maria. Agam eri oka echi. Better. But your M should stand alone because it means I. It has to stand alone. Agam. M should stand alone. Maria. Then eri will stand alone. Oka, echi will stand alone. That's fine. Other ones are okay. The only thing you need to correct, Maria, is your M should stand alone, which stands for I. Agam. Otherwise, your sentence is perfect. So, Maria, let's use your own to correct other people's own. So we can direct them to your own sentence to copy from you. Even though your Igbo word doesn't have the perfect alphabet, no dot under your O. I believe you are going to do that against next class, Maria. I hope you are going to install Igbo keyboard in your computer or phone to use against next class, right? Okay, Maria have done the correction. That is the correct sentence. Agame rioka echi. Next sentence now. Go eat or go and eat. Go eat your food now. Go eat your food now. Let's write that in Igbo language. Let's go there. Okay, Clement Ebehe, you have written the correct one. Agame rioka echi. Correct, perfect. Now we move on. Go eat your food now. Let's write that in Igbo language. Go eat your food now. Let's go there. Write that in Igbo language. Go eat your food now. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Maria seems to be on fire today. Maria seems to want to push the new old students down the pecking order today. She's on fire. Oh yeah, Maria, let's go. Go eat your food now. Clement, I love that. Let me quickly use your two sentences to do the correction. Ablahi, Dr. Ablahi, ubua is not poa, it's ubua. U-G-B-U-A. Ubua, not poa. Okay, that's good. Clement said, Okonkwo wrote, I want to correct something. Why Clement said, So it's either you say J double E, J, or G double A, Ga, J. Either of the two is acceptable in Igbo language. J or Ga, but it has to be double E. Maria Okonkwo, make it J double E, J rie, or Ga rie rigi ubua, correct. Tochu Ga rie rigi ubua, correct. All right, go on from there, which is don't eat. Erila. Okay, what are we going to say with Nori? Erila, don't eat beans at night. Don't eat beans at night. Let me know those who know the name of beans in Igbo language. Game on. Challenge. Challenge. Let me know those who know the name of beans in Igbo language. Don't eat beans at night. Let's go there. Igbo game on. Verb game on. Don't eat beans at night. Let's go. Write it in Igbo language. Don't eat beans at night. Let's go. Who is coming first? Who is coming first? Don't eat beans at night. Game on. Game on. Who is taking first position in this case? Maria again. Erila aga n'abalị. Oh my God. Agwa. Beans is not aga. I hope it's not a typographical error. Look at the spelling of what you wrote. Aga. A-G-A. Is that what you meant to write? Or is it an error? Typographical error? Maria, check it again. Be sure that is what you wanted to write. If not, do your correction. Don't eat beans at night. Okay. Okay, I've done your correction. Agua. Okay, that's great. That's great. Maria, you are right. So where you wrote aga is agua. A-G-W-A. That is the correct word. Now write a full correct sentence, Maria. Let me use yours as a reference for others. Write full correct sentence. Erila agwa n'abalị. Okay, I love that version. Clement Emehe. Don't eat beans at night. Okay. Okay, erila agwa n'abalị. Okay, that's great. I love this version, but I'm going to do corrections generally for all these things. Okay, let me start the correction. Maria wrote erila. Of course, he wanted to write agua, but she wrote aga. But what it follows, n'abalị. When you are using preposition, Maria, you don't write na in full and use hyphen for it. It's n, comma on top, apostrophe on top, comma on top. Then you now follow it with abali. It's like a direction, a preposition. So you don't write na in full. Talking to Maria now. So let's go. That's why Tochukwu is the one that I'm giving it first. Okay, the same thing is what Clement Emehe did. He wrote na abali. No, we don't write it like that. Tochukwu got it first, right? Erila agwa na abali. Okay, that is the first person that got the sentence correct. Just a guy also wrote erila akede na abali. Anyway, akede is a form of beans, but it's a local beans. But the one we mean here, our normal beans, is agua. But our local beans, the one that has a coils like circle, like this, small circles. Our local beans is akede. Okay, akede. So you might not be wrong, completely. Ikechukwu just a guy. Erila agwa n'abalị. No, I've done correction for that. Okay, erila agwa n'abalị. You have done the final correction. That's good. Okay, then did not eat. A report did not eat. My child did not eat yesterday. I'm bringing yesterday again for those who are not here when we did how yesterday is written. And those who are here, let's know those who remember it now. My child did not eat yesterday. Let's write that in Igbo language. Game on. Let's go there. Taime yosiso, papu yoso. They are not so. My child did not eat yesterday. They are not so. Osiso. Ebuloge. Papu yoso. They are not so. My child did not eat yesterday. Who shoots first? Who goes there first? Game on. Igbo verb game on. Let's go. Here we use Igbo verbs to make sentences, determine the meaning, watch it transform from one form to another, and use them accordingly in different forms for different sentence formation to broaden our knowledge of Igbo usage, Igbo verb usage, and sentence formation in Igbo. Okay? Nwam eri unyahu. Clement, you're always forgetting something. You don't always add food to your sentence. Okay? Konkwo wrote, Nwam eri rongri nya. Okonkwo Maria, I corrected you about how to write yesterday. Again, you are that mistake now. You didn't learn that. Tochukwu wrote Nwam eri unyahu. Tochi got the name of yesterday, but there's something missing. Food is missing in your sentence. Let me see who gets that first. Okay, so that's about the only thing missing in Tochukwu's sentence. Food. Can you correct that, Tochukwu? So we use your sentence as reference. Tochukwu, do that now. Nwam eri something is missing before unyahu. Tochi, do that now. Nwam eri, what is missing there? Clement Emehe, Nwam eri unyahu. All right, Clement, I've gotten it. Perfectly correct. Let's make a reference with Clement Emehe, the last sentence that dropped in here. And finally, have eaten or has eaten. Erigo. We have eaten. We have eaten our breakfast. We have eaten our breakfast. We have eaten our breakfast. That is the last sentence for today. Let's go there. The last drill for today in Igbo language drill. We have eaten our breakfast. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go. Game on. The emphasis is on the verb, which is have eaten, and written as erigo in Igbo language. Erigo, have eaten. The sentence is, we have eaten our breakfast. Write that in Igbo language. Okay. Ugochukwu, you come back. You left us maybe because of the little break. You left us. It's good you came back to conclude the class with us. I don't know how to say breakfast. Of course, you don't need to know everything. That's why you are here. You just listen to others and then watch me explain that so that you can learn. That's why you are in the class. That's the beauty of life class. You learn on the go what you don't know. Okay? And then this word is Anyị erigo nri breakfast, and that's good. Anyị erigo nri ụtụtụ. Now you can see that. Greg Udog, welcome to our live Igbo class. We're pleased to meet you. So, Greg Udog wrote Otutu, but that is not money. That is not money. Somebody will have to correct you. Let's go on. Okonkwo wrote Anyị erigo nri ụtụtụ. That's better. That is morning. Nri ụtụtụ. That is breakfast. U-T-U-T-U. But the U's must have dot under them. Watch Tochukwu's own. Anyị erigo nri ụtụtụ. Perfect sentence with all the correct Igbo alphabets. Anyị erigo nri ụtụtụ. That's so breakfast is nri ụtụtụ. Talking to Canary now, Ugochukwu. Anyị erigo nri ụtụtụ. Perfect. But the ụtụtụ should have dot under them all. That is breakfast. Nri ehihie is lunch. Nri abalị is dinner. Right? This is where we are ending the class today. You need to know that this free live class come to us free because people are supporting us to keep moving, to take care of our cost of data, cost of time and everything. People are financing this. They do this in different ways. They send us super chat even when we are on live class like this. You can do that. They send us super sticker. You can use our super chat to say thank you even as you are ending the class. Go down to the comment bar and look at the right. You see $sign there. Hit it and choose the currency and the amount you want to give us to say thank you. And hit it and it gets to us in any way. So you can give us super chat. You can give us super sticker even as you are now. Remember, you can also support us by giving us free donations. There are different ways you can support us. Buy the ebooks is also a way of supporting us. In any way you feel you can do that to keep us coming here every Saturday and teaching everybody that cares to learn free Igbo language. Do that today and God will bless you. So, waiting for you, use your super chat to say thank you. Give us super sticker to say thank you. Even now, okay? They will make a class. Even if you are watching this video and this live class later in our channel, you will see we have thank down there with a $sign. Hit it to give us super thank. All these ways are ways to encourage us to keep pushing, to keep teaching, and to cover our cost at every time. Thank you for coming to class today. It's been nice meeting you, Ugochukwu, meeting you, Okonkwo Maria, meeting you, who are my new students here. There's one guy that just came in now, very late. I can't get his name now. He came in late. I just want to mention, okay, Greg Udogu, thank you for coming to class. And who else? So many people that came in today newly. Appreciate all of you for your interest in learning Igbo language. Remember, buying our ebooks is a way also of supporting the channel. Those of you who promise to buy, do that. Ugochukwu, so Canary, promise to do that after the class, and the rest of you do that, and God will bless you. See you next Saturday, same time, same channel. God bless you.